It is the Windhoek Annual Cultural Festival happening right here in the heart of Karatura at the Sam Nujoma Stadium. We kicked off yesterday. We're going to be running all the way until the 10th of April 2022. Everybody's invited. We've got exhibitors here that are ready to host you. Food, drinks, beautiful people, music, live performances. Ladies and gentlemen, the Cultural Festival is here for the culture, by the culture. See you here. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's go. First of all, it's not just about the crowd. It's not just about the party and the hype. It is also to enhance the diversity that we have in our country. Now, we have a lot of cultures that are going around. We have the Okavangos, we have the Oshuambos, we have the Damaras, the Namas, the Tswanas, we have the Obahimbas. We have all of those cultural groups also coming and portraying, showcasing what they do. Dance, performing arts, you know what I'm saying, visual arts. We have a lot going on here. We have also have some corporate stalls here. We have beautiful people, man. We have beautiful people. Gradually the day is growing, you know. People are going to work, people are going to school, but people are gonna come through. So you must come through. Asambe.